Ha. Who doesn't know this person whom I'm going to talk about now? Deepika Padukone. No, she's not married. She doesn't have children. I'm speaking about the way she was parented by her father, Prakash Padukone. When Deepika grew up, she wanted to shift to Bombay to be a model. And this is what her father Prakash had to tell Deepika Padukone. Now, Prakash Padukone was the first Indian who won the All England Badminton Open. Now, what a World Cup is in cricket, what a World Cup is in football, what a Wimbledon is in tennis, the All England Badminton Open Championship is for people in badminton. Prakash Padukone tells his daughter, "It was my passion to play badminton. And those days, badminton was not a sport where you can make money. In fact, we had to invest a lot of money. Life was not easy if you want to play badminton." So often, Prakash Padukone has traveled in unreserved train compartments, sitting outside the toilet in very cramped conditions, and gone on to play because his passion was to play the game. When Deepika said, "I want to go to Bombay," Prakash Padukone tells, "Our heart did break that you're going to leave the shelter of Bangalore where you stay and go to Bombay. But my parents never stopped me because I was passionate about badminton. Hence, I am also going to support you and I'm going to motivate you and tell you, go and conquer the world. If modeling is your passion, go all out for your passion. However, there is only one condition. There is only one thing that you have to keep in mind. If you're okay with that, then you can go ahead." And what is that one thing? Prakash Padukone says, "There were so many challenges I faced because I was interested in playing badminton. But I developed this philosophy in life that I am not going to complain because I have the opportunity to live the life of my passion. Sometimes there will be selection goof-ups. Sometimes the opposition will play a sly game. Sometimes there will be favoritism and I will not be chosen even when I was the best. Sometimes a lot of hard work, but I didn't have money to move ahead. Sometimes full days travel in these cramped conditions in buses and in trains. And next day, without any rest, I have to go and play a tournament. It was not easy because I had committed, I will never complain." You can live a life of your passion with only this one condition, that you will not complain. Whatever are the challenges in your industry, glamour industry is not an easy industry. There will be things which will go wrong. There will be things which will be unfair. There are times when in spite of merit, you will be overlooked and you will not be given the opportunities. But if you can live your life with no complaints, only then you get to live a life of your passion. The result is, she went on to be a huge star, not only in modeling, but today one of the preferred actresses in Bollywood. She's probably one of those rare stories where zero family background from films, no godfather in films, no support system, no mentor as such, but with an attitude of, "I will not complain," given to her by her father. She has reached heights, and I'm sure she will continue to scale new heights. Can you imagine you and me teaching our children as a part of our life stories? You know, in my life, I had that challenge, but no complaints. So if you are passionate about, let's say when you talk to your children, you say them, if you're passionate about drumming and you want to take up drumming as a career, brilliant. But there will be huge challenges. You can move into being a drummer provided you can say, "I will not complain." You want to create a career as an artist? Brilliant. Only one condition, you will not complain. You want to go into the world of glamour. Amazing. Provided you will not complain. What an extraordinary attitude. The greatness of some people, celebrities like Deepika, one part of the story is their hard work. But understand the role her father played? I wish you and me can also play a similar role in the life of our children. I'm sure we will. Wish you all the best and love you so much.